to Holtop webinar, Chinese Refrigeration Expo 2021. I'm Cici. It's my pleasure to have you all here today. Today, I would like to do a brief introduction about our floor standing ERV. This unit has many unique features, so I would like to introduce one by one. First of all, this unit works with ductless design. What does it mean? It means this one is not need the installation with ductless accessories. So there are just two holes at the back of the unit, one for supply air, one for outdoor air, and another one for exhaust air. So the installation is very simple. Secondly, this unit was built with the brushless DC motor. It has 8-speed control, and this kind of motor, we know it can accurately control the unit and with more energy saving. Thirdly, it was built with our enthalpy heat exchanger, high efficiency enthalpy heat exchanger. It was our own produced unit, patent. Okay, in the middle of the body machine, we see there is a control panel here. We will find some features on the panel. At the left side, this is the temperature. We see the indoor air temperature is 23 Celsius degree currently. And this is the humidity. It is 44%, the humidity concentration. And this one is the PM 2.5 concentration. Currently, the air is very clean, just 52. And this is the real-time show. And here is the fan speed. We can press the up and down button to adjust the fan speed. As I explained, this unit can be adjusted with 8 speed. See? And besides, we have triple filtration for this unit. It has a primary filter, PM 2.5 filter, and HEPA filter. So this kind of triple filtration can make sure the filtration efficiency is up to 90%. It's almost 10%. So it can make sure the air indoor is more clean and fresh. All right, that's all about my introduction about this unit. I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions or interested in this unit, welcome to contact us directly, okay? I will see you next time.